Cavalry is sometimes called the Houdini of 2D, or 2Dini, or Cinema 2D. You get the point. If you've heard of Cavalry and you're wondering what all of the fuss is about, this course is your complete guide to unlocking its full potential, whether you've just dabbled in the software or you've never opened Cavalry. I'm Greg Stewart, and I'm excited to introduce you to Cavalry Kickstart, available on School of Motion All Access. This nearly 13-hour course guides you all the way through the initial learning curve into the sweet, sweet promised land of what I call Cavalry Brain, the mindset that makes everything click. Here's the thing, Cavalry isn't just powerful, it's fast. Once you understand how it works, you'll create procedural animations, generative designs, and dynamic, responsive systems that would take hours and tons of expressions to create in After Effects. We'll tackle real-world projects together, including a responsive social media layout, a fully randomized but still super art-directable poster generator, a beautifully detailed and highly controllable map graphic, and a documentary title screen with loads of bells and whistles. You'll learn duplicators, behaviors, deformers, text animation, and how to integrate Cavalry into your existing After Effects workflow seamlessly. You're not just going to learn theory, you're going to learn how actual motion designers are using Cavalry in the actual motion design industry right now. This course emphasizes procedural thinking, showing you how to create flexible systems where one change ripples through your entire design. The kind of systems that clients love because revisions become effortless. You'll complete 4 comprehensive projects with unlimited critique from our expert teaching assistants, creating portfolio pieces that showcase these essential skills. Plus, earn a verified credential when you complete the full course. All Access members also get 24/7 community access with thousands of members worldwide, monthly live events, technical support, and recordings of exclusive workshops. Studios are increasingly looking for motion designers who can think procedurally and work systematically. This course positions you as exactly the kind of forward-thinking artist they're looking for. Cavalry Kickstart is available now on School of Motion All Access, and our team is ready to support your journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class.